harbor here. Take a look at this Road Glide Special, two-tone, blue and blue. Take a look at this thing, blue and black. 114 motor. This is the coolest color I think that they've ever made. This is a gorgeous bike. Come on down and give it a test drive. Only 2,867 miles. Look at that. This is loaded. It's got the chrome package on it. It really pops with this color combination.